Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to speak a little bit about StoryThat application and how to use it, this interesting tool. Well, StoryThat is a graphic organizer application in which you can create or tell a story by adding or by using drawings. Well, the first step is to open the browser and then to write here StoryThat. So you have to use the first option, that is StoryThat.com. You have to log in order to use it, and if you don't have an account you have to register here, and you have to create your own username, your email address, and your password here. I had already created an account with my Facebook account, so I'm going to use this account in order to show you how to use it. Well, there is at the bottom my storyboards that showed the storyboards that I had already made. I made this one. It is a comic that I made in my creative writing course some years before. So it is interesting to see that it is able to tell a story by showing drawings like these ones. Well, there is the bottom my settings, and here I can change my password, change username, language preferences, and the account status. Well, the account status represents because StoryThat is an application that only permits to create a storyboard by free, but if you want to create more you have to pay for it. But I'm going to create the storyboard. So here I have a completely clean template, and there are many scenes, characters, textable, shapes, infographics, web and wireframes, science, worksheets, and upload. That are the features that can use in the story. Well, they have the town as a scene, so I'm going to put this one right here, and I can change the colors. So I like to change this yellow to red, and I can change the colors as I want to. Here are the characters. Well, there are many kinds of characters. You have adults, here are teens, and also there are kids. So I'm going to use this kid. This kid is here. So I can change the color of his screen. Well, it was the hair, sorry, and this is the skin. So I can use it, and also I can add textables. So I want him to say hello, so I'm going to put it, and I can change the board of this. I can change the size if I want it to. So I'm going to put it here, and also there are many types that can be used. So I can use this triangle here in order to use it. Also there are infographics that are icons that can be used, and also banners. So I can use this banner here and write whatever I want. Well, I'm having problems with this banner, but I have this here right now. So I can write like a school. In science, well, the science, there are anatomy, like icons too. It's a coronavirus representation, and also worksheets. So here I can make or ask a lot of text if I want. And upload is when you have to upload photos of whatever you want to put here, and there is provision, that is that you don't have to upload photos of children under 13 or offensive images in order to keep the security of the application. So this is all my explanation about StoryThat, and I hope that you will be interested in using this application, because it is very useful tool in order to illustrate whatever you want to tell in a story.